So the cucumbers are doing really well this year in the garden. So I'm having to get a little bit more creative with what I'm doing. Today we're going to make a cucumber salsa. That's not the right word. If you've got a better title for this, please let me know. But I'm taking a cucumber that got a little overripe, and I've peeled it and I'm going to cut it. I'm also going to remove all those seeds because they're a little big. The seeds can sometimes be a little bitter. Not honestly had that experience with these cucumbers that I've been growing at home, but the texture could be a little off-putting, especially for what I'm making now. And so I'm just going to remove the seeds, and I'm going to slice them lengthwise a few times and then start cutting them. It's smaller than diced, but definitely bigger than chopped. What is this cut called? I don't know. Anyway, we cut the cucumbers up, as you're seeing here. And we'll do that to both of them. You'll notice I wasn't too persnickety about getting them peeled, as long as I got most of the peeling off. And I'm putting all that in a bowl. You can also see I've got a paprika pepper there. I think if I made this again, I would do one of my sweet peppers. Or for those of you that might like a little more heat than me, a little bit of finely chopped jalapeno would be really good. But even with the paprika, I removed the seeds. The paprika peppers can be a little bit leathery. When it's soaked in the dressing, that was fine, but I think the thicker, juicier flesh of a sweet pepper would have been nicer. But I finally chopped that. It adds a nice little bit of color to the dish. This is a condiment, just so you know. But I'm not sure salsa is quite the right word, because it's not really as spicy as I think of salsas. But then I take a lemon, and I zested about half of it. I probably should have gone ahead and zested the whole thing and just put aside half of the zest. But the zest of about half a lemon. By the way, I like this little zester. I don't think you can really see it as well in this video. But this is a cute little tool. Does much better than the micro shredder thingy I was using. And I used a bit of parsley and sweet mint from my garden and tossed in there. And of course I want that fairly finely chopped. I think a pineapple mint or mojito mint also would have been really nice with this. So what I had was sweet mint. And then, goodness, it took me a long time to chop that. And that's at double speed here. I don't know. Anyway, I got that chopped up and tossed in there. And then added the juice of half a lemon. This, of course, can be easily doubled if you really want a whole lot more of it. Like I said, I'm doing this as a condiment. Probably make a good salad, too. And I drizzled a little bit of olive oil, some salt and pepper, and tossed it around. And then I stuck this in the fridge to sit for a few hours and chill nicely and kind of marinate. And I've put it over fish. I did it on salmon for myself and the kids, and my mother-in-law and wife got tilapia. This was absolutely delicious. If you have a better name than cucumber salsa, I am all ears. But it is delicious. And I think it would also make a good salad by itself. If you enjoyed this little garden to table video, please like and subscribe. I'll try to put up some more recipes soon-ish, maybe.